was trying to see which side to start on. Let's start over here. I was listing some stuff on eBay. Been putting that off for a couple months while I was finishing up my work. Recently got into Legos too. You guys know I usually have some kind of custom up about this time of year. Like a model car, custom action figure, custom painted transformer, something. Been working on a Lego MOC Diorama. Got some parts and stuff here too. Got a few of these off of eBay. A couple of them were not complete. I might clean one up and sell it. So got another one here, parts lot, and an order from Lego.com. And some plates. And we'll come full circle to that. I got a few parts over here. It's some, vintage stuff. Me and my daughter were playing with Legos a few months ago and come across a few of these vintage knight figures. Yeah. And I got overboard. There we go. That's the parts I've gathered so far. Half of them are instruction-based builds, and some of it's my own doing. And kind of ended here. And all this is just thrown down here randomly, loosely. Extra parts. Extra pieces. I think all that was loose. Maybe not, yeah. All that's loose. All this is loose. So I'm envisioning very detailed, fully tiled water, all the rock detail extended out. I'm going to disassemble all this. I was learning as I'm going. Still am on everything. I've actually had a lot of fun with this so far. A lot of this comes apart. This is all my own build here. I won't get too deep into it right now. But yeah. Show all this over the next month or so. And I got it nice and empty in the shop till I get my truck in here for the winter. So, a couple plates, a few of them. Everything over there is official Lego, except for the plates they're sitting on. So these will be the only 3 plates I have that are official. So it's on 5x3, 15 plates over there. We have 18. And I'll figure out these videos as I go. I already know I'm going to need a tripod to put this phone on. Camera. We'll go one-handed. I've had these scissors a long time. Let's see if any of this is broke. This is how Lego shipped it to me. It should have been in a bag, or excuse me, a box. Because I got mountain pieces and a horse barding. Could have got squished. Sorry, I wasn't looking through the phone. I don't even know where that was aiming. Yeah, coming from them. I paid too much for it. Although I wanted rock pieces to make a mountain over there, make a platform. No, that's nowhere near enough for a mountain. These were more on eBay than they were Lego.com. So, yeah. A few minifigure pieces. We just got done with Halloween. I'm a day late. I heard these guys will be retiring here possibly soon. Who knows? Those are about $5 each. The horse itself was $5 each. One more of those. These are some old ones. I'm not really sure what those will bring. I might list those on my eBay. I have some more over there. I'll get deeper into those as I do the next few videos. Let's see what we got in there. Hey. Let's see how I work on my upholstery stuff. Hey! Hold stuff with your leg. My foot. So this is another one of those temples. No. Okay. I don't remember how complete this one was. None of them have the minifigures. Have the statue figures. So I'll get one of these nice. Every one of them I have looks like really nice new parts. This one's a little dusty. If they're real bad, I'll scrub them and dry them off with the air compressor. The doors. And some chunks. I might lay all these out later. Maybe the next video, piece some of this together and start taking parts off the diorama over there. So I have to figure out a layout. And I want some kind of a mountain background. So yeah, some randoms. Yeah, I did order a few of those. Alright. Let me know if any of y'all look forward to these videos. I know my car guys probably don't. Alright, peace. That's where my channel started, all these toys and hobbies. Still got some car stuff going on. There's a headliner back there that needs to be done here next week or so. And I'll be working on my truck, a couple other odd and end things. Peace. Have a blessed one.